In this video, we'll be showing you how to create task groups. Task groups are a way for you to group a collection of volunteer tasks together. For example, at a circus event, you may want to group your bar and barbecue tasks together. You could therefore add a task group to facilitate this. Task groups are linked to an event, so first log in as an administrator. Then from your main navigation, head to Admin, Events, and from the Event Management menu for the relevant event, click on Task Groups. Then select Add Task Group from the Manage menu. Enter the name of the task group, select an organiser from the drop-down list, and a sort order if you wish. Then click on the Add Task Group button. We will then repeat this process for the bar task group. Then from your Event Management menu, click on Tasks for Volunteers. Then Add Tasks from the Manage menu. Please note, if you are adding bulk tasks, then task groups will automatically be created. Select the organiser from the drop-down list, and then choose the relevant task group from the drop-down list. Add the remaining details as required. There is a full tutorial video available for adding tasks for volunteers in the description below. When you are done, click on the Add Task button. If you have set an organiser for this task group, then they will be able to log in and access their volunteers report, where they can see all members of your community that have volunteered for all the tasks within this task group. To do this, head to Reports from the main navigation and then Volunteers. Select the event from the drop-down list and click on Email Volunteers from the Manage menu to communicate any important information to those volunteers prior to the event. They can select which task they would like to receive this information by using the checkboxes. Your task groups will show in a tabular format in 3 areas of your website. On your event page, under the Volunteer section, and during the checkout process. If you wish to change the order they appear in, simply return to Task Groups from the Event Management menu and adjust the order. And that's it, you can now successfully create task groups. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.